guys, I'm back. So now we will implement the sign-in form. Okay, for the sign-in form, actually this is empty. So what we do is to go to the sign-in form and we will grab everything we have here to save more time. Okay, and then we will change everything to make the HTML compatible with the TS. Sign form. So now we will remove the full name input to keep the email and the password input. After that, we will remove the password validation error also. We will remove the password validation implementation, and we will keep we will change the agree with them to the remember me, so that will actually, if the user check this checkbox, it will save his token for 7 days. So let's actually change this. So we say that this is a remember me from control name. And here we will change our button. And here we will add a message like create your account. So we actually change everything here, and do not forget to add the translation inside the translation file. Sign up, and here we have a sign up route. I forgot to add a comment here. Okay. Now here we create our form group. So sign in. Form group. will inject a form builder. Then init our sign in form group. So here we will say that our form group is equal to form builder dot group, and we specify our two form control, that is the email and the password that is required, that are required, sorry. So we import the missing import validator, and here we will say that we want to call the init method. Here we will comment everything. Actually generate a comment. Also, yeah, here we also generate a comment. So I assign from group. And then we'll create a method called let's generate also a comment here for the nj on init and the constructor. And now we will create our sign-in method. So here we'll have a user in parameter. And now we can use the sign-in form group to check if the form is valid. So we need to change this to sign-in and write correctly the form group. Yes, actually this is private, so you can call it the sign-in form group inside the HTML. But now we got everything okay. We can, okay, something wrong here, the loading variable. So here create our loading variable. So actually that will be false. Now that we do this, we will just call our authentication. We will inject our authentication service. So now we'll check if the form is valid. If the form is valid, we will save the user. So we will say that we want to sign in the user. So we called our authentication service and sign in the user like this. So basically we can copy and paste the old code here. We'll say and make some adjustment to save more time again. So now here we have sign in. Sorry, sign in. No, we only have sign up. So we will create the sign in method here, and we call it sign in, and we will change the endpoint URL and comment this method. So it take a user as parameter and return another user. And now that we do that, we will change our method inside the component. And now that we change our method inside our component, we will as the sign up component, we will store the user inside the local storage and stop loading stop loading stop displaying the loader. So actually what we'll do is to start displaying the loader by setting the loading variable to true. And now we will inject our toast service. We inject our toast service to use the toast. Now that now we will also inject our translate service. So we are getting more injection here. So we will indent our code. And we also inject a router. To enter the phone, etc. Okay, good. And now that we did that, we will redirect also the user to the app dashboard. And here we will say that if the status code is 410, we yes, we can say just this. We say that we have a wrong ID here, and here we say that we have an error message, a bad request. Like we will go to our JSON file here, and we will say for our app we want to have now we will have an object for errors here, error message, and we say that we want a bad request. Error. And we say that something went wrong. Please try again. And we say here like we have this error. We say we want bad request. Sorry. So we have bad request. So now that we got our sign-in method, we will make some adjustment. I just figured out that I need to make some adjustment here in the error part for the sign up. So yeah, I was reading the documentation that the tool generated. So that is a bit long, but this is all good. Here I need also another condition that check if we have 401 condition like uh, like in the sign in we have a bad request message. Here we need to we need to put I don't think we need any for that. No, I don't think. Here we will have bad request instead, and here we will have one ij. And let's actually move that into the English file, because actually this is the wrong file, and we translate this key. So now we'll add some title here to make some difference between the sign in and the sign up form. So actually, let's go back here and just inside the body we will create an h3 title. and we'll center the title, and we'll say test center, test center, and we say this is app. We say this is app sign up and title. And we'll translate. Let's go back to the sign up. Okay, so this is good, and now we'll remove a little bit of margin. Maybe 4. Okay, and now for the also we do the same for the sign in part. And here we say sign in. I know why we forgot to remember. I mean, this is why we are getting some weird appearance inside the form, and this is actually false. So I just forgot which account we already use to create an account. So I will search in Postman or just create another account to make a lot faster. So we say test3, test3, mail, and algorithm, and boom, we have our account. And now we'll try to sign up with the same account. So we have our test3 and the password. Boom, and that worked. So now we will translate also this part, this word. So let's translate actually this. So this is remember me. Okay, we got the sign form also working. So